Wondering if you can manage multiple Stripe accounts under a single LLC? This can be useful for different business lines or distinct products. While it has specific rules, it's often possible. In this guide, I'll explain how to approach setting up multiple Stripe accounts with one LLC. Generally, Stripe allows for one primary Stripe account per legal entity. However, if you need separate accounts, you might explore Stripe's Connect platform. This is designed for businesses that want to onboard and manage other businesses' payments. Alternatively, if your multiple accounts refer to distinct product lines or sub-businesses within your LLC, you can often manage these under a single Stripe account, using features like separate products, pricing plans, or metadata to distinguish transactions. For truly separate, independent Stripe accounts under one LLC, you typically need to demonstrate distinct business operations or separate legal registrations if possible. The best approach is always to contact Stripe support directly. Explain your specific business needs, and they can provide the most accurate guidance and options for your situation. And there you have it. Getting multiple Stripe accounts with one LLC has specific considerations. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.